Right, so today I'm going to try one of the methods that Elaine has suggested that we use for growing onions, and I'm going to do it rather than seed. I'm going to do it starting with onion sets, which are essentially just these kind of little small onions. So what we do is you get a seed tray, ideally that's kind of divided up into compartments like this, so each individual ones. You get yourself a bit of compost, tip it almost to the top in each one, like that, and then go around just firming it down a little bit, like that, just press it down so it's nice and firm. I'm using a variety called Tupido. They're an F1 hybrid. Apparently they've been heat treated, which I think means that they won't bolt, so they won't run up to seed too quickly in the summer, and that spoils the onion for cooking once it's thrown up a flower head. So I'm sure you all know that the good way to plant an onion, so that's the leaf, the sort of dead leafy bit at the top is its top, and then there's a plate at the bottom there with a few maybe old roots. So that end is going in the soil, soil downwards. And essentially you just are pressing those in about halfway down, so they're sticking up, so you're not planting them under the soil, you're just sort of pressing them into the soil like that, firm all around, and then in a week or two's time they will start to sprout, so they'll sprout green tops, they'll put some roots down at the bottom, and then I would be, maybe the beginning of April, you can just press those out from the bottom. You've got your own little ready-made onion plant and pop those into the prepared vegetable bed outside. In the meantime, those can go somewhere light, not too hot, sunny windowsill. If you've got a greenhouse, great, but otherwise just somewhere maybe a little bit protected, a box with a bit of glass over, just something you can make to make it a bit warmer and more protected for them to grow away. And we'll see how that works.